Shanghai Huayuan, as the very first professional card manufacturer in China, founded in 1994. Huayuan had supplied millions of magnetic card, smart card, contactless cards, RFID tag, especially NFC, and relative RFID illusions in market not only in China, but also in more than 150 countries in global market. Our products had applied in various applications for identification, public transportation, security, e-payment, industrial automation, asset tracking, logistics, and supply chain. Huayuan had its own research and developing team for following up trend of requirement upon latest smart card and RFID technical development. Our hot product, the NFC Forum Type Tag, storing NDEF messages, which guarantees coexistence with existing product applications. The NFC tags are formatted and can be read and overwritten with NFC-enabled smartphones. We test every tag by writing some useful information on it. You can override this information with apps. To program NFC tags, we recommend NFC Task Launcher of TagStand. This app can be found in the Google Play Store. The NFC tags are self-adhesive and can be used on non-metallic surfaces. Our goal is 100% customer satisfaction.